This is awesome because the future of folding phones just got a whole lot bigger. Samsung's highly anticipated three-folding phone, the so-called Galaxy Z TriFold, has just taken shape in new patent applications, and the design is unlike anything we've seen. It's got a massive display, a tablet-like experience, and a wild, unique internal structure involving not one, not two, but three distinct batteries. We're breaking down the KIPRIS documents that reveal the final design and everything else you need to know about this rumored flagship experiment. Alright, let's start with the patents, which our colleagues at Galaxy Club discovered recently in a KIPRIS application. These detailed sketches bear a strong resemblance to an expanded Galaxy Z Fold 7. But make no mistake, this is a vastly different device. The key difference is the three-part structure, and this is where the battery surprise comes in. The Galaxy Z TriFold is powered by not one or two, but three separate batteries, with one cell packed into each of the phone's three segments. What's fascinating is that they are not the same size. The batteries will have different shapes and thicknesses, and each is larger than the next. The segment that houses the rear cameras gets the smallest battery. The middle segment, which also holds the cover screen, hides the second largest battery. And finally, the segment that gets sandwiched between the other two when folded will contain the largest battery cell. Unfortunately, these newly published KIPRIS documents do not reveal any specific information about the battery capacities or charging speeds. Earlier rumors suggested Samsung may use a silicon-carbon battery, but they also mentioned that the capacity might be smaller than its only competitor, the Huawei Mate X-T, which packs a 5600 mAh battery. Furthermore, the TriFold may only offer 25-watt charging, potentially lagging behind the competition's 66-watt wired and 50-watt wireless speeds. Beyond the batteries, the overall design suggests a much more tablet-like experience when unfolded, thanks to its rumored 10-inch diagonal dynamic AMOLED 2x display and wider aspect ratio compared to the Z Fold. Now, for the rumored specs, we've heard whispers of the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip, up to 16 GB of RAM, a massive 200-megapixel primary camera, a 12-megapixel ultra-wide shooter, and a 50-megapixel telephoto unit with 5x optical zoom. When might we see this thing? According to previous reports, Samsung may unveil the Galaxy Z TriFold as soon as the end of October. However, we must manage expectations on availability. It might be limited to just a couple of markets, similar to the Galaxy Z Fold SE, which only went on sale in China and Korea. Ultimately, just like the first Z Fold models, the Z TriFold is expected to be more of an experiment, targeting the most enthusiastic early adopters, which could allow Samsung to figure out how to improve it in future generations. So there you have it. The tri-foldable future is taking shape with a unique three-battery design that will definitely shake up the foldable scene. While we don't have all the details yet, these patents certainly seem to reflect a very real product coming soon. If you're an early adopter excited by this revolutionary design, smash that like button. Let me know in the comments. Do you think three batteries is genius? Or is the rumored 25-watt charging a deal breaker? Hit subscribe so you don't miss the official launch details if they drop at the end of October.